Reasons why you are not manifesting what you want. First things first, you probably have blockages, which could be a chakra blockage from either trauma or you eating certain foods like sugar or junk food. You're gonna have to clear those blockages, so I recommend fasting and detoxing, taking a detox or doing a metal detox. The second thing that could be preventing you from manifesting what you want, you are too goddamn negative. You gotta stop being negative and have a more positive outlook on things. Sometimes you could be being negative and you don't even know that you're being negative. So be more mindful of your thoughts and what comes out your mouth. Because when you talk negative, your actions become negative. You just create a reality of negativity. The third thing is you have to release. So you could have a lot of trapped trauma inside you, maybe from a childhood experience or anything, and you need to cry and let it out. And that's easy for someone to, because I cry all the time, but sometimes it's hard for people to cry. I recommend start writing in a journal. Write what you want, write what you want to manifest, and write all the blockages that you know of. If you like this video, comment, share, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.